Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can be a judge on free play mode. So I'm in free play mode right now. If you don't know how to go to free play mode, I have a video on that. So if you're in this area here, you're just going to step down to this red carpet, to the runway essentially, and you're just going to go to the judge's chair and press E to judge. Here you can place it from rate it from 0 to 10. There's also this, you can also type in the judge announcements, for instance like the theme, and once you're done you're just going to press announce. And to get out of the judge's chair, you're just going to press the space bar to basically get out like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!